Hey, thanks for hanging around. Want to find out the winner of the wall hanger package from last week's Review to You video? Keep watching and we'll let you know. Hi, my name's Gary, and this is my buddy Matt. We're just a bunch of gadget nerds who were lucky enough to be invited by Amazon to participate in the very exclusive Buying Voices program. 3 times a week, we review all these cool products and give them away for free. All of our subscribers, they get involved. There's Men's Mondays, Wednesday for Women, and Friday Fun Day for the kids and the whole family. Every product we review is up for grabs. To be in the running, you have to be subscribed to the channel, have liked the video, and typed in the comments section of that video the code word we mentioned throughout the video. But for now, let's announce a winner. Last week for Women's Wednesday, we did a battle of the wall hangers and didn't select a winner, because depending on your job, they were all good. So which lucky subscriber gets to take this amazing wall hanger package home? And the winner of the wall hanger package is Janeal, Burbank. Congratulations, Janeal. We're going to get this packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. Do you guys want to be a winner like Janeal Burbank? Well, the first thing you can do is subscribe to the channel and then turn on those post notifications so you can be one of the first to know when we're dropping a review. Okay? Because we do these reviews 3 times a week, every single week. Make sure to click that link on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.